we're standing here in Coney on Avenue, Avenue L, center of Flatbush, by Sonnenfeld's Sukkah. Was macht Rab Kobe?
Baruch Hashem, Baruch Hashem.
The heart of Flatbush. We got Sonnenfeld Sukkah, the famous Sukkah store. Take us inside, Erev Sukkahs. Let's see what you guys got. The covered Sukkahs. So you guys were first of all from the oldest Sukkah stores in Brooklyn, right?
One of them.
One of the oldest Sukkah stores in Brooklyn. You're famous for your Sukkahs. Let's go.
Chaim, welcome to the store. We're here for about 30 years, one of the oldest Sukkah shops in Brooklyn. Let me show you what we got.
Let's go. 30 years selling Sukkahs. Kanai Nahara. Wow. You mazaka lots of Eden. Let's go.
Well, we're going to start with a pretty new Sukkah that we have from, I think, 2 years ago. It's a travel Sukkah. Very nice. It has a Hidur. We have the Lavud. So that makes it, you see those sticks?
So the Lavud sticks makes it, wow. So the whole thing is like
kosher.
It's like a tent. You just put it together.
100%.
Kind of give a kick. So cool. You put it together. It comes with a little schach with a little light. And you can take it wherever you are.
100%.
Packs into this.
Windows attached right into here.
Have a look at this. This little bag. You have the whole sukkah in there with the schach. Beautiful.
It offers a service of rental.
Rentals. What has rentals?
Meaning if you have just a 1 year event or...
Really?
Yeah.
Somebody 1 year moves to America?
Yeah.
You guys...
We come, we deliver the sukkah, we assemble it, we put the lights, noch sukkahs, after sukkahs, we're taking it down, finished, boom.
You pick it up after sukkahs and goodbye. Like never before. Unbelievable.
Goodbye.
Wow.
We have another type of pop-up sukkah. This sukkah just
it's a little pop-up sukkah. This just pops up. Everybody knows the famous pop-up sukkah comes in a little bag. Sukkah on the go for Chalamoid, or if you just want a little sukkah.
We got the canvas sukkah, the classic canvas sukkah, 7.5 feet high. Comes in 2 colors. Easy to put up. Comes in variety of sizes. We can customize it up to 100 feet.
Really?
We do commercial, special sizes.
A shul, a yeshiva. Have a get back kick. This comes out to 100 feet. Beautiful, beautiful color, beautiful design.
Sukkahs come with everything you need. The canvas,
Schach.
the schach support, bamboo, notch bamboo, everything to go.
So your schach supports our bamboo sticks. I like that.
Correct.
So
With the notches.
With the notches. I see. Oh wow, have a get back kick. So in the bamboo, it comes with a groove.
You don't have to do anything.
It doesn't do everything. There's pops in. That groove sits on it like a glove.
Exactly.
Wow, and that's a hidder to have bamboo is a real hidder.
Yes.
Wow.
Every panel comes with a window or a door. You can put as many windows, as many doors. You can customize it. You can have the door where you want. So basically, it comes with a mallet. It's the only tool you need in order to put it. Watch this.
Wow.
That's it.
That's it. It just pops out like that with the mallet up and down, and that's the only tool. No screws, no zip ties. Nothing. Wow.
And let me show you, this sukkah also has the Lavud straps.
Lavud.
Okay, which basically, there's less than 3 tefachim in between each one. So basically, from here to here, that's the sukkah.
That's the sukkah. That's
without even the material.
You know, we lock the materials for privacy.
Exactly.
But this is the sukkah, Kevin. I love you have over here a jack. You have over here a.
Now we have an option. I don't come from Miami. The whole thing is open. We're a place where it's hot, you can have light.
Nice. They should hook you up with Shia from Luxury Kosher Villas. Maybe he'll buy some sukkahs for you from Miami.
Yeah, if you have a
Shia, get my kick. Look at this. If you have a pool, if you have a nice view outside your sukkah, you're Miami, or you're somewhere nice upstate, you just have it's like a mesh tent for the bugs shouldn't come in. Look at that. I love that, Kevin. The wall of the sukkah, beautiful. Beautiful option. Not if you're living in a bar by Flatbush, but for somewhere out in a nice neighborhood.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's go to our flagship. This is the sukkah, the most popular.
So this is the famous modular Gevura sukkah.
Correct.
The famous, most people have this, is the typical sukkah with the sliding door. Wow. Okay.
You can do a sliding door, you can do swinging door. Comes in 3 different heights. We can customize it up to 10 feet high. It comes with, I think, 15 colors.
15 colors, really? You have the colors here?
Yeah, sure, right here.
Gabaki Kevra, 15 colors. White, almond, beige, gray, blue, chestnut. I think this is the most famous, no? The chestnut color.
Pecan, hazelnut. These are 3 new colors, very popular now.
Nicotine, nickernut. Gevura sukkah.
This is 8.
That's 8 feet.
This is 7.5.
So you have all sizes, all colors, all shapes, all types.
And of course, we have clear lucite.
Lucite.
We can make the entire sukkah made out of lucite. You can see over here.
It's a lucite.
This panel is a complete. And for privacy, we offer a window shade.
On the lucite sukkah, you have a nice window shade. Very nice. So you can open it up when you want, close it when you want. Yeah. Beautiful.
Here we got half lucite. This is also half lucite. We got a window shade with
nice Mr. English. Wow.
You can basically put every picture you want.
No way.
You can give me a picture, I can print it on it.
No way, I love that. I love that idea. So you have a nice window shade with a picture. You could have a window made out of screen.
An up and down window.
Up and down window. Basically, whatever you could dream of, Sonnenfeld has it.
Here you go. There's another. You can have a 4-foot.
4-foot window over here.
Doors can open from right to left, left to right.
So you're saying somebody wants to right to left, like the shirts. You want right to left, left over right.
Exactly. Exactly. Now let me show you about the schach. So the schach, we have 3 options. You can use, first of all, mats. We have 3 different kind of mats. But inside the sukkah, there is the traditional way of doing it is putting the schach on top of the support beams. And then if you want to feel more secure, we have the option called the inside schach. Usually when you use bamboo poles, which is the nicest, you see, it's recessed. Basically,
so you put it below
inside.
the top of the sukkah.
Correct.
You put it inside the
look
sukkah.
Look how beautiful it is.
It looks nicer. It looks gorgeous. Have a look at the bamboo, how it sits in the walls, in the perimeter of the sukkah.
We're cutting it to size.
You cut it to the exact size, and you put the beams inside, and it sits. It's not on top of the sukkah. It's in the sukkah.
And it's going nowhere.
The wind can't push it anywhere. It's in the sukkah. It's within the walls. I love that look. I love that design. And you put a beam on top of it to secure it, right?
We can put another beam on top.
Okay, there's a beam on top, so it's not going nowhere.
Nowhere.
And it has a very nice look. Bamboo's taka looks nice. So you sell that too, and you deliver as well.
Of course, anywhere.
Beautiful.
We have lights, different types of lights. We have waterproof lights. We have 8-foot lights.
Nice, classy lights, beautiful. Kobe, you're stocked like never before. Full stock of sukkahs, Kavra. Full stock of schach, every type, every size, every shape. Bamboo, mats.
This is the stockade, this is the mahadrin.
Every hechsher. Unbelievable. Kobe, you're fully stocked there. You don't play games.
If not now, then when? Okay, let me show you how easy it is to build our modular sukkah. So basically you have the 2 panels. There's a male and female. You put one into the other, click.
Click. Who said that again?
Okay.
That was very cool. Put one into the other.
Male and female.
Click.
Click. Then you secure it with this bracket right here.
Oh wow, that's secure. It's not going nowhere.
Okay. Corner. How do you do the corner? Same way, male and female.
Click.
Click. On an angle, you open, there's the corner.
Gevre, Kobe Sonnenfeld.
Schach. How do you put the schach? There is a bracket right here. Put it right here. You're on the beam, across. That's it. You have a wall connected here. Here there is a bracket for the wall. And done.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So you can have, with these brackets, you can have schach on top. You can have schach inside with these brackets.
Right.
Inside, like the bamboo we showed
before. This one actually is for inside schach.
For inside schach, and that's for outside schach.
This is not for the wall. The wall is a different bracket. This is for the inside schach.
You have every bracket somebody can think of.
Oh, let me show you. Oh, you better believe it.
Kevin, like we said, everything is customized. You have an outlet on your wall. Kobe, you customize it. You have access to your light switches. Everything is customized here. Let's see the brackets, Kobe.
Take a look. I mean, this is just part of them. Look at this. Any single bracket you want.
Bracket you can think of.
Anything you imagine. I didn't fill it up yet over here, but here full of brackets.
Kevin, full of brackets. Sasha, the sukkah decorations that you have over here. Every type of sukkah decoration you can think of. Beautiful decorations. Beautiful, nice, big. Wow, vinyl, beautiful.
Repeating customer. I've been coming here for years, and look, right in the back of my smart car goes 8
foot schach.
Whatever, 8.
I don't believe you'll fit it in there, but well, if there's room in the heart, There's room in the car.
Thank you
Kevin,
very much.
There's room in the art, there's room in the car, even a little small car. You got the full beam over there.
Are you sure
Look
they're
at that,
gonna fit
another happy
on
customer. Kobe, thank you so much for showing me around at Sonnenfeld's Sukkah Center, Super Sukkah Center. We're gonna bang this over here. This is the thing that comes with the Sukkah. What is the promotion today?
Well, anyone comes before Shoshana and mention Perlowitz gets additional 5% on top of the promotions we already have.
Wow, so you're loaded with promotions over here. You have a bunch of discounts. But on top of everything, 5% off from the Perlowitz discount.
There you
Come milagavel milabar. Okay, we won't get into the technicals. Kevin, come inside. Tell Kobe on the Perlowitz show. 5% off.
1546 Coney Avenue, 718-377-5151.
Right next to Sesame, across Pomegranate, Varetsky, the center of Flatbush, center of Brooklyn. Come over. Tell Kobe you saw it and how it's my lechtig and freilichen sukkahs.
Okay.